In this video, I'll show you how to uninstall programs on Windows step by step. So whether you're using Windows 10 or Windows 11, this guide will help you remove unwanted apps quickly and safely. So uninstalling programs you don't use can free up storage space, improve your computer's performance, and keep your system organized. So let's get started. Now, the easiest way is through settings. So to start, go to settings. Now, once you're in settings, at the left side, click on apps. If you're on Windows 11, go to installed apps. But if you're on Windows 10, click apps and features. Now, scroll through the list and find the program or the app that you want to uninstall. Once you found it, click on the app, click on the three dots right here, and click on uninstall. Now the confirmation will appear, just click on yes, and that's basically it. Next is the classic method using control panel. So what you need to do is to press Windows key R. Now once you're in here, type control, then hit OK. Now in the control panel, click on programs and features. Next, you'll see a list of installed programs or apps. Now find the one that you want to remove, right click on it, and click on uninstall. Now follow the steps provided by the uninstaller. Next, method 3 is to use start menu. So you can also uninstall apps directly from the start menu. So click the start button down here, locate the app, so right click on the app and click on uninstall and confirm your choice. So if a program won't uninstall, try restarting your computer and removing it again. Also, avoid deleting program files manually as this can cause errors. And that's how you can uninstall programs on Windows. Thanks for watching.